Today we're making a Turkish-style microwave apple walnut tart. It serves 8 people and takes about 60 minutes, including chilling. Let's do this, no oven needed. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 7 ounces petit beurre biscuits, crushed into fine crumbs for the crust. 6 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted to bind the crumbs. 3 medium apples, peeled and diced for a chunky filling. 1/4 cup granulated sugar to sweeten the apples. 2 tablespoons lemon juice to brighten the flavor. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon for warmth. 1/4 cup chopped walnuts for crunch. 1 tablespoon grape molasses, pekmez, for deep Turkish notes. A pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Place a microwave-safe 9-inch pie or tart dish on the counter and set out a medium microwave-safe bowl. Crush 7 ounces of petit beurre biscuits into fine crumbs with a bag and rolling pin or a processor, then transfer the crumbs to the bowl. Microwave 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter on high for 30 to 40 seconds until fully melted. Add the melted 6 tablespoons butter and a pinch, about 1/8 teaspoon, of salt to the crumbs and mix until it looks like wet sand. Press the crumb mixture evenly into the base and up the sides of the dish. Pack it firmly with the back of a spoon. Microwave the crust on high for 2 minutes, then set it on the counter to cool for 5 minutes. In another microwave-safe bowl, add 3 diced apples, 1/4 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Toss to coat evenly. Cover the bowl loosely and microwave on high for 4 minutes to soften the apples. Stir the apples. Add 1 tablespoon grape molasses, then microwave on high for 2 more minutes. If there's excess liquid, spoon it off. Stir in 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts, then let the filling cool for 5 minutes. Spoon the apple filling into the crust and spread it into an even layer. Microwave the assembled tart on high for 1 minute, then let it stand on the counter for 10 minutes. Refrigerate the tart for 30 minutes so it firms up before slicing. Slice and serve the microwave Turkish apple walnut tart. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this microwave tart, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more quick recipes.